Hello, everyone. How are you all doing? I hope everyone's doing well. After many days, I am come live on my page, and thank you all for your love and support. And today I want to share a little bit about a story that really changed my thought process. So, a story that reminds me why I started something that I do and why I do what I am doing now. So, as everyone knows that I am an educator by profession, and also I'm a mother of three amazing boys, and I love what I am doing as an entrepreneur. And today, I just want to sit back, and I want all of you all to just sit back, and I want to take you all on a short journey to the yesteryears of my younger days or childhood days. And years and years ago, to a chapter in my life that still brings a lump in my throat. I was just a young girl then. We are three siblings, and I am the second one. We grew up in a very small, humble home in Mumbai, India, and life wasn't easy. But yes, it wasn't easy. It was challenging. We faced a lot of challenges. We grew up with a lot of challenges, but we were rich in love, in togetherness, and in silent dreams that we carried in our hearts. And I'm so proud here to use this platform to say that we are raised by the strongest woman that I know. That's my mother, a single parent, a warrior in a sari, you can say. She's a simple woman, a strong warrior woman. She faced every storm, she faced all the setbacks with a quiet strength. I didn't understand them as a young girl, but I do now. She worked tirelessly day in and day out so that we could go to school, we could complete our education, we could wear good, clean uniform, have a warm meal, and never she made us left feel that we are left behind, and never she made us feel that there is something lacking. And the time came when we stepped out of college and wanted to chase our dreams. I remember her eyes filled with worry, but her voice steady, hopeful, and she had all the dreams in her eyes for us to grow and to be someone in our life. And my mother, yes, uh, she was the strongest woman. And also, along with my mother, my brother, who is the eldest among us two sisters, he became a rock. And I believe, even now when I think of it, the days that he would come back from work and his hands would be dirty, his clothes would be dirty. He worked in a workshop, and he worked really hard. He really worked hard. He sacrificed so much so his two sisters could stand tall. He gave up his own comforts so that we could hold on to our dreams. This is where my why began. That silent promise I made to myself one day that I'll take care of it all. I'll build something that gives my children the life that we could only imagine. And now, as an educator, as an entrepreneur, I look back with tears in my eyes and pride in my heart because this journey has not only given me income but impact. Not just dreams, but the power to live them. I'm here because of the sacrifices of my mother, the strength of my brother, and the quiet prayers that were whispered in the dark. Today, I do this not just for me, but for my children here, so that my children don't have to face the fear, or I don't have to face the fear and the trauma that my mother and my brother went through for our education, to raise us up, to give us the things that we needed. And I am proud that today I am in a position that I can see my dreams turn into reality. And and I know that God has placed me in this place for a reason, uh, to be an entrepreneur, to be a friend, to be a guide for a reason. So if this video has touched your heart, and if you are a parent dreaming of a better life for your family, you don't just have to scroll. Take that step of faith. If there is something that is calling out to you, or something that is coming up to you in whatever way, just take that step of faith and take action and see what is in for you. I am doing this for my kids. I'm proud of what I'm doing, and I love what I'm doing. So, and many people ask me why I do what I do, because I am proud of what I am doing. I am doing it for my children, for my family here, to give them the better opportunities that I couldn't get, to imagine the dreams that was just a dream as a young girl for me. I want to give the best to my children. So, if you have been seeing my videos, stay tuned, stay connected with me, and you can comment in the section, in the comment below, from where are you tuning in live from, which part of the world. And I am tuning in live from Abu Dhabi, UAE. And thank you once again for all your love and support, and have a wonderful and a blessed and a happy weekend. God bless you all. Take care and bye bye.